Hi, I'm Ben. I want to thank you for looking in. Now this tape is an accessory I'm putting together for my 3-in-1 lathe. I'll not say what it is until I get it almost finished. I hope some of you like it. This is it. Now this is part of it. I have one side done finishing this side. Now let's see. That's one of the chores done. Now this is my homemade milling machine. I have different tips on it and making it, but this is the work that I have done. I've done a lot of work on it. This is the job I'm doing now at the moment. Ready for drilling. It has done me well. I keep my screws, threads covered. It has done me well. Four-speed. I am very pleased, more than pleased with it. Now, these are just some of the tools I've used so far. That, also this step. 1 to 2, not to 1. So far. Now, this is only part of it. This is the first part. I have a lot of work to do to this yet also. Lathe work and more bits and pieces. All will be revealed very soon of what it's going to be. It's an accessory for my 3-in-1. Now, this is another part of the job. Has to be bored out to 25mm. Boring tool. All will be revealed, hopefully. Now I need this 25, that's 1 inch. I need a 1 inch hole taped out. I'm doing a slow feed at the moment just to get it started. I know by the feel of it when it's right through, but I have it tied up again the chuck. That's it. That's it. I need a 1 inch hole. That's I'm doing the first 2 or 3 cuts slow for to get a nice feel on it, and as I say, I know when I'm right through by the feel of the tool when it stops cutting. That's it. As you see, a 1 inch hole is tight up against it. That's why I have to keep my finger on the cutting tool, the board, for to know when I'm right through. Now, it's just over 3/4 at the moment, so I'll take a few cuts off camera and bring it back before the last 1 or 2 cuts to show, for to keep it up. As I say, this is for an accessory for my 3-in-1 lathe. These are some of the tools I'll be using, and I have a hole to drill down through on one each side, and my mic for to let me know my depth. And that is the clearance, 1/8 of an inch. This, I couldn't take the chance on it hitting the cross slide on the 3-in-1 lathe. That's why I didn't choose to do it on the 3-in-1. So it's just got, on this one I could have taken the gap out if necessary, but thankfully I did not have to. It's got 1/8 of an inch of a clearance. This is the final cut. This should bring it down to 1 inch. I have my tool marked to the depth to go to. That's it. Now we will try this. It should have been the final cut, it looks. We'll see what this is. Oh, look at that. Spot on 1 inch. Now, look at that. That's exactly 1 inch. Nice one. Now I have a lot of work to do to this yet. To turn the threads off it, turn it down a lot more here. So a lot more to do to it yet. Now there is about a 2 thou discrepancy on the bolt to here. From about here on there is about 15 to 20 thou of a slight bend from about here, but I will be turning all the threads off it, and to here where it's marked, it'll be from there, it'll be getting turned to 1/2 inch, so that'll keep it true the whole way. So there's about 2 thou of a disc, but at this where the tape joins there's a bit of a blip, but the rest is about a 2 thou discrepancy. Now this is another clock stand I have made. Is a very strong magnet. Look at that on it, and it goes up. It's look, that magnet keeps it very rigid. Now this is the depth I have to go, the 1/2 inch. This depth, which is 743 thou. Now if I push it to $7.50, I could add a washer. That would give me a wee bit of a play, a safety measure. I have started the cutting process. Now as you see, there's about a 15 thou deflection in the last 1.5 inches, but it lines itself up, bringing it right up to there. I'm taking, now this is a hard steel, so I'm taking it easy till I get the threads down. Now, it's a hard steel bolt. I don't think it's high tensile, but it's hard, so I'm using a high tensile steel tool tip. I'm not taking a real deep cut to get the threads down. Then we will increase it. I changed my live center, a smaller diameter, for to give me better access to the tool. It seems to be doing the job nicely. Right, this is it. It seems to be doing the job. It has taken the 10, maybe 15 thou or whatever it was out of it. It's a straight run now the whole way. Straightened up. These are a box of shims for my raising my cutting tools. This is the depth. I'll go 3/4, 75 thou, ½ inch, and that may allow me a washer for to bring it up to height. High speed cutting tool is doing the job nicely. .601. So that would be 6, and now I have, and this is ½ inch. So that's what I wanted, ½ inch, and it's 6. This allows me, if I need to have a washer fit on. .501. That's just the 1 thou over the ½ inch. That would be satisfactory. Now, that is the way it's going. There was a 10 to 15 thou discrepancy from about here 1.5 inches or so, but with what I've taken off it, it has trued it up. It's trued up. Now, that is this part of the accessory done, I have a brass bushing to do for the here. I like the way this turned out. So far, so good. I have a 1/2 inch hole to drill a ream down through here, and on this I have a locking screw to go in here and a grease nipple on the top, and this is the brass to make a brass bushing for here. Now here is a brass piece that's for to make a bush for here. Now this is 3.5 inch, and I have to bring it down to 1 inch exactly. So I'll turn a few off it now and go off camera until I get it down to the size I need. Now I am using my very first vernier that I ever had. I have this 40 odd years and still use it. I like using this one actually. But here's a wee tool. I don't know whether I've showed this one or not before. It's a Starrett. It is very precise little vernier, made in the USA, 4 inch, but it was the depth that I was using it for at the moment. Very nice little tool to use, very precise. Now this is a very slow cut, the first one, just till I get the measurements right, and then I will speed it up. I do like working with brass. I have to bring it down to 1 inch, so I have quite a bit of cutting to do to it. I am hoping this is the last, pardon me, the last cut. hoping that is the last cut. Now let's try it. Oh yeah, I think that should press home okay. Yes, looks to be a nice fit. Now this has to be bored out for to suit this. This has to slide up and down it. So I have to bore this out. I'm parting this off. Now I think this one will do, yes. Yes. Yes, that will. Clean the end of it up. The brass washer on, it will stay on. So far, so good. Now this is a wee bit tight, but she'll free up. Yes. Wouldn't want it any freer than that, that's nice. Nice fit. The bench is a bit of a mess at the moment with all these tools, but we'll get it cleared up. Now this is oil hole for the grease nipple. I'm about to press it home. I'll have to straighten her up and get it pressed home. Right. Oh, right, that's tight. That's it. I think we'll get a look. Oh yes, 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 we could live with that. Yes, the holes down through. Good. Now, that's it. Home. I'll certainly have no need for this screw, for she was a nice tight fit. But let's see if this. Oh yes. Nice one. Wee bit stiff, but with the grease she'll free herself up. Nice one. Yes. Pleased with that. Now that I may look for a shorter screw. That is so far so good. I get this. That's it. With the grease on it, that should free it up nicely. Yes. Now, this accessory I'm putting together for my 3-in-1. I already have made one for my Harrison, which is heavier, so I had to use lighter stuff for the 3-in-1, but I've almost completed, and this is it. Now, this is the tool, you see, for alignment. For threading. To fit 2 Allen screws. Hope to use it. Make a tape on it. Solid as a rock. 2 Allen screws. And if I need it longer, it's a 3-inch job. If I need it, I can bring this out another ½ inch. Give me another ½ inch of threading. I find these a useful tool. It means you can thread and you know it's true. I already have another one made for my Harrison, which I made, I think it's 1 or 2 tips. That is my new accessory for my 3-in-1. And these one-off accessories that I have put together over the years have come in very handy at times for me, and I hope some of you have found this of interest. I want to thank you for looking in, and thank you for your comments. This is Benny Marner. Go to Ben. Thank you for watching. This is it. Till next time.